Welcome. In front of me I have Apple Watch Series 11 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the theater mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button or by tapping on the screen. After you turn on the screen or wake up the screen, press the side button right here to open the controls menu. Now scroll through the controls menu and look for the theater mode icon. This is the icon. Basically you have two masks on it, the happy mask and the sad mask. And to enable the theater mode, you can tap on the icon. Here we have a description what the theater mode does. It basically mutes your sound on your watch, basically turns on the silent mode and also dims your screen and keeps it turned off until you tap on the screen. And to make it so your watch doesn't disturb you during some play or maybe a movie or something that you will turn on this mode for. And once you decide to turn on the mode, you can tap on theater mode button right here. The mode will be enabled. We have the icon highlighted, the silent mode icon also highlighted, and then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And as you can see on the watch face, we also have the theater mode icon, which basically lets us know that the mode is enabled basically. Okay, and if you want to disable the mode, you can simply tap on the screen, wake it up, press the crown button, or rather not crown button but side button to open the controls menu, then scroll down, tap on the theater mode icon, and you will see the message theater mode off. The icon will go back to the default color, the transparent color, and then the icon from the tab will disappear and the icon from the watch face which will also disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the theater mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.